meron is, it means being, no? So it already indicates some commitment to the Filipino language, or the Filipino culture, not necessarily Filipino language, and a connection to the great books also kasi philosophy, so sa mga classical thinking, and so on. So and plus the word meron, rolls off the tongue so well with teatro. So teatro meron, may konting alliteration doon.
Mhm.
And so we formed Teatro Meron, a theater group that was built because to promote Ricky Abad's legacy and more. And we'd like to position ourselves along with the other great theater groups now. Kami yung gusto namin nagtatanghal ng mga classics. Dahil kailangan may gumawa ng papel na
Mm,
yun dito
mm.
sa landscape ng theater.
Mhm.
And we also wanted to come together